Hey, what is up you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to another video of Trend Report. So if you are somebody who's not been following Spring Summer 2019 and want to know everything about it, this is your videos. This Spring Summer 2019, makeup and its artistry did not stop. It went all the way. And we had some amazing looks showed on the runway, so I'm gonna take you through one by one of all of them. So the first trend that I'm gonna talk about is Heatwave, and personally this trend goes on the top of my personal list because it's all about looking bronze and it just looks like you're kissed by the sun, you're an exotic person back from a very cool holiday. We saw this look on the runway with quite a few brands like Altazara, Chanel and quite a few more. Metallic makeup was the next big trend of SS19. We saw a blue-green metallic cat eye by Versace on the runway, which made major headlines. If you are somebody who loves being bold and loves having a look which is fierce and strong, or a look that you want to have that you can rock any night, this is that look. The third big trend, glitter. It's amazing how glitter has not let its grip off beauty. Orbit nails and glitter lips from the Jeremy Scott show showed us how iconic a look can be. So if you're still waiting or confused about using glitter, don't be, because it's all in and you can never go wrong with glitter. Trend number 4, bold blush. Blush toned makeup by Gucci for the Brooke collection was one of the cutest things you could ever see on the runway. This look is all about bringing back your youth to your skin, looking fresh and very romantic. Trend number 5, graphic liner. This season, the liner trend has been taken to a whole new level. Graphic liners filled with glitter, almost giving you a cut crease, but at the same time, the right wing. This look was put together by Burberry. Speaking of graphic eyes and cold eyes, we have Ashish and Soni, Rohit Gandhi and Rahul Khanna showing us some major, fierce, edgy yet glamorous looks on their runway. That's all that we have for you guys today, so do let us know what's your favorite trend or what trend look you want us to create for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.